Okay, just want to say congratulations. If you've reached the end of this course, that's great. And now we're going to talk about more editor options. Now, besides the Gutenberg and Classic Editor, there are actually more editor options available commercially. Now, what I mean by that is that there are other plugins that have different editors that look nice. Some of them include Thrive Themes, WP Bakery, and Elementor. Now, each has its pros and cons. They have their strengths and weaknesses. And really what it comes down to is which one do you like the best? So you saw Gutenberg. Most of these are very similar to Gutenberg and they utilize blocks, but they just look a lot more nicer and they have a lot more options. So that's really the main difference. So we like Elementor the most because it's super easy and more importantly, super fast. One thing to note is that as you begin to add more plugins to your WordPress site, it will actually slow things down. So what we've done is when we've tested things, we found that Elementor it has a lot of features, but it doesn't have a lot of coding. So it runs really, really fast and it won't slow your website down. So with that said, like I said, Thrive Themes and WP Baker are really, really good choices. So let's go ahead and hop on over to those websites and show you these in action. Okay, so let me talk about the differences before we actually install Elementor as a plugin.